welcome to Panda Chinese. I'm Belle. This video series will include top 500 Chinese commonly used phrases. Even if you don't know the whole sentence of the expression, you still can lead a happy life in China with these phrases. Or if you have any questions with this video, you can leave it in the comments. I will answer you as quickly as I can. Hi guys, 你好，大家好。I guess you must know how to say 你好 in Chinese. But do you know there are many words and many phrases to express 你好? Firstly, 你好 呢一你 喝凹好 你好 你好 is most commonly used way to express greeting. It can apply to almost all the occasions and for anyone, for any time. It's the most flexible Chinese greeting. And then we will say 您好呢音您喝凹好您好 See this character 您 added 心 below to the 你 您 is more polite than 你 to express respect and courtesy. It's suitable for more formal occasions. When you meet some people senior to you or some distinguished guests, you can use 您好 instead of 你好. And then, if you are a student, that commonly used is 老师好老师好了凹老师喝凹好老师好老师 means teacher. 老师好 is a common way for students to greet their teachers. Sometimes teacher's surname or last name can be added at the beginning of the 老师好 like 张老师好 So you know 张 is teacher's surname. 张老师好 If I were 张老师 Teacher 张 You call me 张老师好 I would be very happy because it means you know me, you can remember my name. But if you are not very sure, 张老师 李老师 孙老师 Oh, don't take risk. You just say 老师好 It's okay. And then 张老师 will answer you. 同学们好同学们好同学们 means students. Every students. Read after me. 科翁同西约学喝凹好同学们好 Except for students, you can say 先生们好 It means hello gentlemen. And then 女士们好 It means hello ladies. Read after me. 先生们好西安先施恩生喝凹好先生们好 One 先生 One gentleman 先生 A group of gentlemen 先生们 So say Men means a group. 先生们 a group of gentlemen. 女士们 a group of ladies. So this is how to say hello to a specific group. 大家好 same as 你好 is also a very versatile greeting. Generally, most of the lectures and speeches 大家好 is given to group. 大家好 Hello everyone. 大家 means everyone. Read after me. 大家的啊大鸡啊家大家好 When we meet a group and we don't need to distinguish their gender and identity, we just say 大家好 You say 好 好 in Chinese is very useful, almost almighty. You can use it with many words. 女士们好 先生们好 Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. And you can use occupation or identity with it, like 老师好同学们好 At last, you can also put a specific time with it, like 早上 morning. 早上好 Good morning. 下午好 Good afternoon. 晚上好 Good night. Except for these common greetings, Chinese people often greet each other like this. 最近怎么样？最近怎么样 is a question. 最近 means recently. 怎么样 How about you? Or 最近还好吗？最近还好吗？最近还好吗 means How have you been? And 最近在忙什么？最近在忙什么？忙 means busy with. So it means what have you been doing recently? I think if I translate it directly, it should be what are you busy with recently? At last, 好久不见好久 means so long time 好久久 means long time. So 好 here is adverb to describe 久好久不见 means long time no see. Hi everyone, I don't want to say 好久不见 in next time. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the like button and the little bell. And then we will see you next video. 下回见，再见。